DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System, surveyors play a crucial role in accurately determining and mapping the positions of various objects or features on land. In Gurgaon, a thriving city in India, these surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid urbanization and development taking place. DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon utilize advanced technology to collect precise data that is essential for multiple industries such as construction, infrastructure development, and urban planning. The primary task of DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon is to gather accurate positional data using specialized equipment and techniques. This involves setting up base stations with known coordinates and then using roving receivers to measure the coordinates of various points of interest. By comparing the data collected from multiple receivers, DGPS surveyors can eliminate errors caused by atmospheric interference and other factors, ensuring a high level of accuracy. This precise data is then used to create detailed maps, plans, and models that are vital for the successful execution of various projects. One area where DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon are particularly sought after is in the field of SCON, site conceptualization, design. SCON design involves creating innovative and efficient layouts for residential and commercial projects. DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in this process by accurately measuring and mapping the existing site conditions. This includes determining the topography, identifying any existing structures or features, and assessing any potential constraints or limitations. By providing accurate data on the existing site conditions, DGPS surveyors enable SCON designers to create designs that maximize the available space while adhering to all regulatory requirements. For example, when planning new roads or highways, DGPS surveyors are responsible for collecting accurate data on the existing terrain, including elevation and slope measurements. In order to precisely locate and map different objects or features on land, DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System, surveyors are essential. These surveyors are highly sought after in Gurgaon, a prospering city in India, as a result of the city's rapid urbanization and development. To gather exact data for a variety of industries, including building, infrastructure development, and urban planning, DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon use cutting-edge technology. Gathering precise positioning data using specific tools and methods is the main responsibility of DGPS surveyors in Gurgaon. In this case, base stations with predetermined coordinates are put up, and roving receivers are used to determine the coordinates of various sites of interest. In order to ensure a high level of accuracy, DGPS surveyors can minimize mistakes brought on by atmospheric interference and other factors by comparing the data gathered from various receivers. The effective completion of several projects depends on accurate maps, plans, and models that are produced using this data. SCON, site conceptualization, design